Ahoy mateys, this is Dazzlinglatte, and welcome to another grocery haul. Oh gosh, I'm glad to be home. I never want to leave the house again. just, it's scary out there, and I don't like it. Okay, so let's see, what did I get? Okay, first I got some... Oh, something's falling down. Some Idahoan original mashed potatoes. And these ones do not have dairy in them. Look at it. It's so beautiful. It's just like this giant box of mashed potato mix, and now because I just want to be stocked up on that. I want to have that, you know, in my pantry. Next, I got some Simple Truth organic tofu, extra firm. I got this. Okay, this was $1.79, and then I had a 30% off coupon for it. And yeah, I just want to try out some recipes with this. I like the way it jiggles. Like, it jiggles in the package. It's like jello, like ooh. Next, I got some of this. They had cheddar style slices. Okay, some of that. And then I got some coconut milk, Simple Truth coconut milk, and then I got Simple Truth unsweetened almond milk, and yeah, I had a 75% off coupon if I bought, you know, like 75% off one of these, and then you could use it up to 5 times in a single transaction because it's one of the digital coupons. So these were normally $2.49, and you can just do the math. $2.49 a piece. You can do the math. It's been a long day. It has really been a long day. I'm frazzled. My hair is a mess. I swear, I woke up in a good mood this morning. I always do on grocery day. By the end of it, I'm just done. I'm done. Okay. Next, I got some Hellmann's vegan mayo. And there's an e-coupon for Hellmann's, $1 off. So this was $3.99, which is a really good price for this. And I use it to like make my own salad dressings. I'll use it as just like straight up mayo. Sometimes I'll make a spicy mayo dipping sauce for my like French fries. Oh, that's so good. Next, I got some vegetarian refried beans for 79 cents. And then I believe after the coupon, this was $1. It's Kroger flour tortillas, and there's 8 of them. There's the big ones, like the burrito style ones, which is what I wanted. What's big old burritos. And I got some stuff for chili. I got come on, get back in there. Got some Kroger kidney beans. They're light red. Have no idea what that means. I really don't care. Okay, and this was, let's see, the beans were 59 cents. And then the Kroger diced tomatoes were 49 cents. So, yeah, those are the 2 big ingredients for the chili. I don't know what else I'll put in it. I might have some other ingredients, like some veggies, like frozen veggies up in the freezer that I might throw on in. Next, oh, I feel something big. Okay, Kroger all-purpose unbleached enriched flour. It's a 5-pound bag and I got it for $1.29. This is a big staple in any kind of baking stuff. I've got some ideas for like different fall recipe videos that I want to do up. So yeah, I really wanted to get a big container package of flour so that I have all of the necessary stuff, because I already have all my other baking stuff. It's just flour I was low on. Next, I got some coffee. I was out of coffee. And got some Seattle's Best breakfast blend. This does have caffeine in it, right? I did not accidentally get decaffeinated because I don't think I got decaffeinated. Well, it's a breakfast blend. I mean, this is normally $5.49, and I have had $1.05 off coupon for this. And then got some Bob's Red Mill Vital Wheat Gluten for $6.59, and then there was also $1 off coupons, so it would have been $5.59. But I tell you, this stuff lasts me a while. Like, there's it's like I said, I'm missing a bag. There's a bag of missing. I gotta go find it. I don't know where I put it, but there's definitely a bag missing. Never mind, it was on the floor. It's been a stressful day, okay? It's been a stressful day. So next, what I got at Dollar Tree is, Old Orchard Healthy Balance apple juice. I like this because it only has 4 grams of sugar in it. I love my sugar, okay? And I try to like cut back on it a little bit, so this is a really good thing. Next kind of plays into I really love sugar. Oven baked fudge stripe shortbread cookies. I could go through a whole package of those in a week. I really could. Like, this is a giant package meant for like a whole family. Next, I got some Diet Faygo Cola. I love this stuff. Next, I got some coconut milk for a recipe I want to do up. I needed like the full fat coconut milk. And then I got extra virgin olive oil. And all these things are $1, by the way. Next, vaginal wash. I needed that. I was out. And there's also another thing that I got, because I thought it'd be cute for Halloween. It's a headband with spiders on it. Doesn't that look cute? I mean, imagine it without the packaging. Let me just take off the packaging. Little tag on it. Like, that's cute. There's a little tag up there. Just ignore that. These are cute. I love these. This is my new Halloween look. Okay. So, I think that's everything. I really do. Oh my gosh. So. For now, I have to go. But until then, smooth sailing to you and your pirate crew.